There are so many new disorders that seem to be popping up every day, and while drug companies are trying to find ways to help us, these fixes might not work for you. And with that, you might run into more side effects than solutions. We're here with what could be a common cure from nature is Dr. Jenny Wilkins, owner of Age Vital. Nice to see you again.
Thank you for having me again.
Of course. Now, what kind of disorders are we talking about?
Neuropsychiatric disorders, so MS, Parkinson's, spasticity, gait, ADHD, ADD, seizures, epilepsy, narcolepsy, anything that has to do, that psychiatrists would see. Psychiatrists, neurologists, those are probably my most popular doctors that recommend CBD products for their patients as opposed to going to Band-Aids for boo-boos.
Right, pharmacology. Okay, so let's talk about what CBD is and how this helps these kind of disorders that we're talking about.
Well, CBD is a naturally occurring substance that's in every living plant on the planet. So when you're eating leafy green vegetables, you're getting CBD. When you're eating chocolate, cacao, you're getting CBD from there. That's actually what makes women feel good when they're eating chocolate. That's why guys during Valentine's Day or when their women are, acting a little bit ornery or abrasive, right? You give them some CBD and they calm down.
Okay.
So, but it's the same thing too when you're using it for other neuropsych disorders. So,
okay, so how does it work?
So how it works is it goes and it targets the CB1 receptors, which is in the brain, and it helps, your body has synapses. They're like spark plugs. And the CBD goes in there and makes those spark plugs fire to make those connections. So we were talking about amino acids in one segment. Remember the amino acids? Yeah. So the CBD activates those amino acids, making sure that the brain is actually getting the food that it needs to make you focus, to make you smarter, to not be in pain. So it's all neurological, but we do have CBD receptors in the gut as well. So you have CB1 receptors and CB2 receptors. So God obviously wanted us to feel good.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So when you talk about these psycho-neuro disorders, why are so many people suffering from these days?
I narrow it down to, our environment. We live in such a toxic environment. Everything seems to be polluted. We have genetically modified foods and crops. We have genetically modified nutrition. So people aren't pulling what they need from our foods right now. So you're going to the grocery store, you think you're getting an orange, and instead you're getting a genetically modified orange. So then you're not pulling out the nutrients from there. And then you're getting leafy greens, the spinach, and you're not getting the CBD. So it's a chronic condition right now. There are so many people that are suffering from neuropsych disorders. Depression is a big one, even just anxiety or heart palpitations, little things like that. And with sleep disorders, I mean, CBD is huge to help people, just calm their brain cells and help them to sleep. Or migraines, for example. I have so many. I'm sure you've gotten a headache or a migraine. So anytime I get a headache or a migraine, based on the time of the month, I'll take one of the capsules of the CBD and it takes away my migraine. My rapid dissolving tablets, you put it right underneath the tongue and within 30 seconds, there's no more migraine. So now you're avoiding chemicals that are going to cause more damage, than good in your system,
and real
like
quick,
NSAIDs.
Is some of this stuff covered by insurance if somebody were to come in to see you?
These are not prescriptions, so it's all over the counter. So people can order it online, they can call us, to order it, so there's no prescription for it. Occasionally I will get a doctor that says, you know what, I need something that's stronger than 40 milligrams.
Right.
Can you make me, 100 milligrams of something? Or they'll have an animal or horse. I have a lot of vets. My vets, love, for inflammation for horses. And I make a gel for those animals and put it in dogs and cats. So, because they suffer from the same things that human beings suffer from, right?
Absolutely. All right, taking care of everybody.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, okay, Dr. Jenny, thanks so much. And to find out if CBD can help you, you can reach Dr. Jenny and her team at Age Vital at the number on your screen there. It's 1-888-388-7237. Or go to their website, agevital.com. And thanks again.
Thank you.
All right, Daytime will be right back.